All right, here we go, everyone. What's up? My name is Jose Trujillo. I'm an artist, and I will be showing you right now um, one of my paintings. So let's do this. All right, let's see. Let's see how this cookie crumbles. I'm gonna do a little painting here. I'm gonna do a little bird because I can, because I want to, because I feel like it. Some people have seen me paint little birds and whatnot, so something that I was talking to, I was talking about to the Instagram crowd. The Instagram crowd. There was like 5 people watching me. Dang it! When am I going to become famous? What the hell's going on? I was telling the Instagram crowd that when I paint something like this, I like to a figurative work, and I'm talking about. I like to spend some time on the drawing. The drawing is very important um, because it's where you hang everything, right? It's your what do you call it? It's the base, right? It's your structure. It's where you hang everything. And so I like to spend some time in the drawing. You see, kind of rubbing it a little bit right there. Boom. Spend some time on the drawing. Whatever time is for you. It could be an hour. It could be 10 minutes. It doesn't matter. Whatever you feel, it's the time that you need to spend on it. Spend on it. Because, man, wife is watching some horror movie. Because it's extremely important that you do. That's why. It gives you the confidence of the art piece. You know, if that makes any sense. It brings about the confidence in the art piece. It makes you feel that okay, you can do other stuff there. You can paint it, you know, something like that. Oh man, what happened? I need to. There we go. Look at that. Boom. I'm trying to make this videos horizontal for you guys on YouTube because I mean I've had way too many people tell me that they want horizontal videos on YouTube. They're like, because that's the way you're supposed to do it. And I'm like, okay, I'm sorry. I really am. Some people have told me that the reason I haven't my YouTube channel hasn't grown is because I don't do horizontal videos. And I'm like, really? Come on. I think my YouTube channel hasn't grown because my shit's not that great. If I would be doing, I don't know, something else, probably the YouTube channel would grow. But doing little pictures, I don't know if that cuts it. You know? Maybe if I was a YouTuber, yeah, doing some special effects on I don't know, or who knows, really, you know. Maybe I'm not. Maybe I haven't nailed it yet. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'll never find out. But in the meantime, I'm gonna keep delivering some cool videos. Well, I think they're cool, right? That's probably the problem. Only I think they're cool. Everyone else doesn't. Look at that. Boom, boom. So this is what I was talking about earlier on YouTube. I mean on YouTube, on Instagram. Is as I am painting, I'm still somewhat drawing, right? And you'll see something that I'm gonna do right now too. Um, for example, when I come up with, I like to change tools, right? You don't see that often because you don't really see me doing artwork. Well, you see me doing artwork, but you don't see me doing the works that I actually do, not the demos. This is works that I actually do. It's not necessarily a demo. This is something that I'm going to put up for sale. So I like to change tools. Usually the demos, to get people to loosen up, I usually just use one brush. Some people are going to be like, you confuse the hell out of me. And the important thing about switching tools is because it also switches, you switch the way you think. And I'll tell you why. For example, you switch the way you think, and you switch colors also without really meaning to. You kind of go for that. And because you think differently. Every tool that you use is slightly different. Right? You tend to think slightly different for each one. It has a different little edge. It has a different little thing. You know? And so it takes you out of your comfort. You see? It takes you out of your comfort. This is a little known secret. And of course, if you're a classic painter, you're probably not going to do that. At best, the tool that you're going to switch is from something like this to something like this, right? You'll switch like that. That's why I don't like painting in a classic way. Not only because it's not my cup of tea, but I don't like sticking to the same methods, I guess. If that makes any sense. And the beauty about painting and with different tools also, and it's that it keeps you fresh. Keeps you very fresh. Like the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Fresh. It just does, you know? Keeps you very fresh. There it is, guys. My name is Jose Trujillo, and I'm the world's greatest living artist. Boom, baby. There it is. You got it. All right. It's my little birdie. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Peace.